Tired of wrestling with agency agreements and wondering if you're signing them right in Docusign? Let's fix that. First, log into your Docusign account. Make sure you're using the same login credentials you use for your agency's Docusign account. This is really important for compliance. Open the agency agreement that needs your signature. Scroll down to the signature fields. You'll usually find these at the bottom where it says something like agent signature or representative signature. Now, click on the signature field. If you haven't signed anything before, Docusign will prompt you to adopt your signature. You can either choose a pre-formatted style or draw your own. Since you already have your signature saved, look for the option to use saved signature. You should see your pre-saved signature available in a drop-down or a similar menu. This is where your signature that was previously uploaded and created is. Select the correct signature from the list. Your signature will automatically populate the signature field. Double-check that it looks correct and is placed in the designated area. Make sure all other required fields in the document are also completed. Finally, click the Complete button in the upper right corner of the screen. This will finalize the document and send it to the other parties involved. And that's it. You've successfully used your pre-saved signature in Docusign for your agency agreement. Keep crushing those real estate deals.